My name is Abdul Azim Syed. I've been in the IT industry for quite some time, and coming to Netsoft has enhanced my IT skills. I have a bachelor's in computer science, and I also hold a master's degree in information technology. And I have done MCSA, MCSC. I have done VMware VCA as well, VCP, and I have done the certification on Exchange. I have my other family friends who have been the alumni of Netsoft, and they have given me a reference, and that is how I found out Netsoft IT. I have so far taken 8 courses, and I am into the 9th course of the Infrastructure Analyst program. It strikes a balance between the labs and the theory. It gives more on hands-on experience as well. Other colleges do offer courses which are quite similar, but could be outdated. Netsoft offer the courses which are very current and demanded in the IT industry. Netsoft instructors, they are very professional, and they ensure that the courses which they deliver is well absorbed by the students. The courses are very intensive. The reason being, it strikes a balance between the hands-on and the theory. Well, they unlock the brain potential by asking and engaging the students. Pros and cons of signing up with Netsoft is you have to be very agile. You have to work really hard. You have to do your labs. I've seen a lot of success stories. 8 of my friends who have been the alumni of Netsoft are pretty well placed. I do spend somewhere around 24 hours in class a week, and on top of it another 20 hours I spend at home working on my labs. In fact, Netsoft not only develops your educational qualification, they help you develop in personality as well. That is how they help you build the resumes, and they help you prepare on the interviews. I have taken extensive courses here, and I think I would say Citrix was one of the best courses which I have taken. Netsoft offers comprehensive training, not only in terms of theory, but they gives you more on hands-on experience. And the environment which they provide is exactly the same environment which is there when you are on job. I would strongly recommend, if you want to develop yourself, you want to enhance your skill set, this is the platform for it.